Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use the Move tool in Adobe Photoshop. First we have to activate the Move tool from the toolbar or press V from the keyboard. Now the Move tool is activated. There are three options are there. First, auto select. If the auto select is disabled, we can't move the element or select the element. So make sure that you are enable the auto select. Now you can move the element like this. Then show transform control. Transform means we can transform the element like this. We can't transform if it's not enabled. So make sure that you are enabled that. And the third one is alignment tool. We need two or more layers or elements to using align tool. For this I am going to duplicate the ellipse. Holding Alt and drag the element like this, we can duplicate the layers or elements. Now I am going to select all the elements by pressing Shift or holding Shift. Now I am going to align the element like this. These are the Move tool options. And the another one is if you are in the another tool like text, you can bring back the Move tool by pressing Ctrl. Now you can move the element like this. Thank you.